I'm Vick, and if you are just joining me for the first time, you are super welcome. This channel is all about product recommendations. We review products that work and also talk about relationship matters. If you're just visiting for the first time, you are super welcome. Please tap the subscribe button by your right hand side and turn on the notification bell so that you will know whenever I drop a new video. Today I'm going to be reviewing and I'm going to be telling you how to use Paw Paw oil the right way to have a beautiful skin. This is the one I've been using, and it's almost finished. Because I don't want it to be finished, I had to get the second one, and you can see this is still full. To see how much I love this product, if you have been following my channel, you know I do product reviewing and also drop relationship videos here and matters that concerns women. Okay, what I noticed about this oil is that it's very kind of harsh a little in brightening of the skin, so I would not advise you to mix it inside your cream at all, especially Paw Paw cream. Don't mix this oil inside your cream, but you can mix this oil in any cream that is not harsh and does not whiten fast, because this oil kind of whitens the skin. Okay, so don't mix it inside your Paw Paw lotion. You can watch the video to know what I'm talking about. Okay, click the link above. But let's go right into this video. Let's talk about the oil. How I use this oil is this: after applying my cream and in the night, I just use this oil on. If you are toning your skin, or if you're brightening up your skin, or if you're whitening your skin, you will notice that there are some parts of your skin that is very hard for creams to penetrate into, such as the elbow and your hand, your knuckles, and also your knees and your feet. All these parts, most times creams does not work faster on them like it does on the rest of your body, and that's where Paw Paw oil comes into play. All you have to do is to apply it on your feet. Apply it to brighten up your feet. If your feet is darker, if your knuckles are darker than the rest, or your elbow, just apply a quantity of this oil just like this. Apply a quantity of this oil just like this on your palm at night after having your bath. When you're done having your bath, what you're gonna do is apply your cream so well on your skin. And when you're done with that, we already have a quantity of the oil in our palm, so we're just gonna use this to apply on those areas of our body that is darker. Okay, if you are bleaching your skin, if you're toning your skin, you will notice that sometimes the product doesn't really work on all part of your skin, especially your feet, your knees, and your hand, and also your elbow. So you have to use this oil to massage on those areas of your body that is darker and that does not allow cream to penetrate into faster. Food products kind of react negatively on the skin when you go out under the sun, except you're using sun protection. So you just have to use it, apply on your knuckles. Do you understand? Use it, apply on your knuckles. And if your feet is dark, like generally my feet kind of darker than my skin, so I use it on my feet as well to brighten up my knuckles. And you see, so I use this Paw Paw oil, and so far so good. The results has been amazing. In the night, I just use this oil on to moisturize and apply on those areas of my body that are darker than the rest. So Paw Paw oil, what I've noticed is that it brightens it brightens dark knuckles, the feet, the elbow. It works a lot on it if you follow the principle, if you follow the rule, which is used at night only. Okay, because it contains lactic acid, and because it contains food acid and food products, so you have to use this at night to moisturize daily. Use it daily on those parts of your body that creams does not work in faster, and you will say goodbye to dark knuckles. I love this product. I've been using it on my hand and I've been using it on my feet for 2 weeks now. You can see, if you notice, you will see that this one is almost finished. That means I've used this to this end, but I had to go rush and buy another one because I do not want it to finish, and I don't want to go to the shop and they say it's no longer available. So I had to buy it for myself, and that's what I use on my leg and part of my body that is relatively dark. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe to Video Vick channel and tell us what you think about this product. Hey, before you go, take a look at these videos. Please tap the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I love you. I want to see you more. Come back more to my channel to check out more reviews and more videos. I love you.